Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Dataset Spotlight. This one is CCG Improvement and Assessment Framework. Now obviously, as at time of recording, CCGs are being replaced with ICBs, Integrated Care Boards, and as I understand it, they'll be doing an equivalent thing for ICBs next year, I guess. I'm not sure when. Anyway, this data is just a couple of tables, one with all the data in it, and a reference data table, sorry. There's 119,000 rows, and the data goes back to 2013. So let's have a look at the data. As you can see, you've got these metric codes here, and organization code, and the period, and then some values. And you would join this table to the reference table to find out what those reference numbers mean, and just sort of work from there. So if I just page down so you can see them all. So that's the current metrics. If I maybe expand this a little bit. It's not great, but if you ask us for a free trial, you can get access and then you can have a proper look. It's page 2, page 3. Thanks very much.